Hi guys, my name is Lau Kai and today I will talk about my industrial training experiences for this 10 weeks period. And in today's talk will consist of 5 parts, which is company profile, company history, company clients, training content, and the last one is experience gained by me. And now I will talk about the company profile that I work for. The company I work for is named Willowglen Malaysia Sdn Berhad, and it is established in 1995 in Malaysia. And Willowglen is leading in developing the integrated SCADA system in Malaysia. The SCADA project that have involved are railway utilities monitoring, gas transmission and distribution pipeline monitoring, and the third one is sewage treatment process control and plant monitoring. And the last one is power transmission monitoring and building services monitoring. And the project I've involved during the internship is categorized as sewage treatment process control and plant monitoring. And for the company history, in early 1972, Willowglen is established or incorporated in Canada. After 23 years, Willowglen is established in Malaysia, and Willowglen Malaysia Sdn Berhad is changed to Willowglen MSC Sdn Berhad since Willowglen has gained MSC status and undergo R&D works in 2000. And this is the company clients that Willowglen have tendered for the projects. Now I will share about the training content. First of all, I have been offered as a trainee in SCADA project team in Willowglen, Malaysia. And my job scopes are to ensure the graphic editing or rectification is correct as per furnished info. And the second one is to ensure the configuration is correct as instructed by the senior engineer. And the last one is I need to do simulation tests on the completed task to know whether it is function as instructed by the senior engineer or not. Now the company projects. First, I will give a short introduction to the current projects. PUB or called Public Utilities Board is a statutory board who manage the Singapore's water supply, water catchment, and used water in an integrated way. The project is doing the replacement of the SCADA control and auxiliary systems, but are only involved in the SCADA part. And for your information, Singapore can grow up to 250 million gallons of water per day from the Johor River under the 1962 Water Agreement. And this is the PUB logos. And this is the flow how the plant in PUB works. Now, there are three software I needed to be used to do the SCADA system or works. The first one is GE Simplicity. Second one is VMware Workstation. And the last one is Wonderware software or called Aviva software or Aviva system platform. The GE platform or GE Simplicity software is the old software that used by the PUB as the SCADA system, and currently the upgrading is by changing the Simplicity to the Wonderware software. And the Wonderware software is installed inside the VMware for the ease of use purpose. And we just need to copy and paste the VMware file to a new computer and we can use again. and we does not need to reinstall again the Wonderware software. And for the first Wonderware software is System Platform Management Console. It is used to backup and restore the Galaxy in the System Platform IDE as cabinet file format. And the second one is System Platform IDE is used to configure the SCADA graphics for the processes in POB such as Plant A, B, and C. And the last software is Aviva OMI Application Manager. It is used to test whether the SCADA graphic works or not. And the right side is the System Platform IDE graphics, SCADA graphics, which for this one is sodium silicon fluoride preparation and stock 10s 1 to 4. And for the right side is G Simplicity, which the old SCADA software used by the PUB. Now, I will take this object as an example. First of all, I need to check in Simplicity to know the object tag name for the variables. Then I copy this tag name and check it in the I/O and mapping list from the senior engineers to identify whether it is correct or not. If it is correct, the tag name will be assigned to the reference column that will allow the object to function. In this situation, the tag name is used as alarm border animation. And this is the alarm border animation for the object. And we can see that this is the tag name. And when we type the tag name inside this column and it does not pop up this tag name, so I need to create the points for this tag name. If not, it doesn't work for the animation. So now, first I need to go to template toolbox to create the template for the point first. After that, I will create the instance from this points template based on the character in front of the tag name, which is shown as the red dotted line at the right side. And I will need to rename the points according to the tag name shown in I/O and mapping list and the simplicity, which I indicate in this is green dotted line. So now for the experience gain in this internship period, I have learned a lot of new knowledge and skills to be used in SCADA systems. I have enhanced the fundamental of the SCADA system, which I know the basic workflow for it and how it works. Simplicity and Wonderware software are the new software that I have learned and used, and I think there is still a lot for me to learn to master this software. I also bonded with colleagues or senior engineers to interact and help each other to allow the task run smoothly. Lastly, I have learned some of the Microsoft Excel function and shortcut keys that never been used before, such as relook, match, and concate. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you.